In this video, we're going to talk about item selling rules. You apply an item selling rule to every item in your system. It tells the POS how to treat that item. So whether you want an item to be age verified, have a bottle deposit, be EBT eligible, or not allow a discount, you'd use selling rules for that. Let's see how they work. When you get to your Cloud Back Office home screen, you'll want to toggle from My Buttons to All Buttons, and then head over to Selling Rules. Insight is going to set some of them up by default for you, and if you need more help, just email support@insightrs.com. Let's look at a default one. In this system, the default selling rule allows discounts, and that's it. It's the only thing toggled on. We also have a maximum price entry amount of $500. You can set this to whatever you want if you want to cap out how much your cashier can enter for one item. That'll help with accidental entries. You can set other things like age verify to a certain age. You can require price entry, so the cashier uses an open item to enter the amount. You can integrate a scale for grocery items. You can set bottle deposits. You can allow or not allow discounts. You could set a negative price if you want an item to be treated like a coupon. You can allow food stamp for EBT eligible items, and more. You can edit or add selling rules directly in the item edit screen. You can set your selling rule whenever you add a new one, or you can set selling rules with group change. Let's see how they work on the POS. Over on our POS, I'm going to go to my items because I have an open item for cigarettes set up. Click the button, you see it pops up for the cashier to enter the price right on the screen. Now if I enter $501, it's going to give me an error saying the amount should be less than $500. I'll fix my mistake and cash it out. Let's see what age verify looks like. I'm going to scan this pack of Marlboros, and it pops up with the age verification screen. Let's sell a bottle of Snapple that has a bottle deposit, and you see the bottle deposit's applied. Now let's say I have some clearance items in my store, and I've marked them down. I set up a selling rule called clearance, and I set it so that I can't do returns and I won't allow discounts. I'm just trying to get rid of these items. So let's sell one. You see it comes up as usual. I'm selling this item at $5.99. Now if I was to try to apply a discount to it, you'll see it won't apply to that item. Similarly, if I try to do a refund against it, you'll see it says it's prohibited. Those are just a few of the ways you can use selling rules in the system. For more information, head over to the Learning Center in your Cloud Back Office or email support@insightrs.com.